Today on Startup Teardowns, I'm saving a successful indie maker's unprofitable businesses. And I'm going to show you the changes you can make to your landing page to increase conversions. That's a very wordy intro, and you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Let me introduce you to Mark Liu. Mark Liu is a solopreneur. He's most famous now for Ship Fast. This one is making Mark, as you can see, $42,000 a month. But you can see the other startups haven't gotten the same type of traction. We've got Poop Up, Launch Viral at 2K, ZenVoice at 2K, an indie page at 1K, plus 17 that he's marked as failed. Let's see which of these has the most potential. Turn your visitors into custom with wake-up call pop-ups. It's customers, but you can see how it's covered by this pop-up screen, which when I originally saw this pop-up screen, I thought was cool, but it is actually covering the headline. I'm actually gonna skip this one. 2 is grow your startup with viral launch videos, and it's a course. 100K views on your launch video or your money back. I've launched 5 startups in 2024 and made over $200,000. Now you can do the same. Am I the guy? Am I the guy who does it like that? At least 3 sales on your next launch video or your money back. Whatever the promise is that you can consistently deliver, that's what I would promise here. And then honestly, looking at the rest of this landing page, I would actually skip this because now you have this, at least 3 sales on your next launch video or your money back. Then you scroll down. I used to launch startups in the void. I'll be this guy too, into the void. So this is now we're telling the story, which is perfect. And then we get to this line, viral videos in 24 hours to grow your startup. But as a startup founder, do I even want viral videos or do I want more sales? Do I want my launch to be a success? Do I want to hit my MRR goals? Viral videos in 24 hours to grow your startup. And that's how I would turn this one around. Let me take a look at Mark's other startup and see if we can save that one too. Focus on your startup, not the invoices. Let your customers generate, edit, and download Stripe invoices so you don't have to. I have an agency, I have a coaching business, I have a SaaS, all of them are on Stripe. And when I see focus on your startup, not the invoices, it doesn't do anything for me. Also, when I see ZenVoice, I'm thinking voice like it's a live chat tool. The way to fix that is just make that lowercase because it's invoice, Zen invoice, right? ZenVoice, make it lowercase. Hang on, there's a good Dan Kulov quote here, which is, I don't want to pay Stripe $2 for every invoice. So maybe we make that the headline. Let your customers generate, edit, and download invoices. And then I would change this so it's all benefit driven. Like, why do I care about 1 minute no code setup? I'm not even thinking about that. I'm not a dev. And let's just do this as a brainstorming tool. I'm going to tell you how to make money. I'm going to then tell you how to save money. And then I'm going to tell you how to save time. Get your life back, reduce the amount of fees you pay Stripe each month, no more manual invoicing, and no more late night email checking. Now on the pricing, I'll do the same. 1 Stripe account, unlimited invoicing, $49 one time. I know that this is his whole deal. I'm gonna remove this and we're gonna make it monthly. There we go. I just 36x'd your revenue. Leave a comment down below. Is this gonna make it or is this gonna break it? All right, I'll talk to you soon.